What up, tubes? Gucci's nice again. Well, basically, the Cobra well is running a little dry. His rants are getting boring. He's getting stuck in liquor loops. He's banning people left and right. Um, the slow mode is getting annoying. Slow mode getting turned on often again. Chat getting turned on often again. And then his dislikes are about to just disappear altogether. So, with the Cobra well running dry, I've looked for other lolcows for us to get into. And don't worry, this isn't going to, Cobra's not going away. He's going to be the main center of this channel. But in between, I'd like to get, a couple of other things in there so it doesn't get too boring. So without further ado, I have a couple of other lolcows for us to get into. I don't know this person. I just got here about 2 days ago. Don't know too much about her. Don't want to make any assumptions. If you know anything about her, just let me know down in the chat and let other people know because people are going to be asking, who is this? But this is Gucci's, and here she is with a racist rant and passing out and sleeping through a fire alarm.
They fucking bitch about that all the time, but they want to fucking right to bear arms. Yeah, shut the fuck up, you fucking stupid niggers. Shut the fuck up. They get mad when I fucking speak into a fucking like microphone in their fucking one of their rallies and I say nigger. They get so fucking mad and they're like, yo, right? First Amendment. It's freedom of speech, nigger. I fucking hate the fucking gropers. I fucking hate the fucking Proud Boys. They're a fucking bunch of hypocrites. But then they're like, yeah, women can't vote. Shut the fuck up. What the fuck am I listening to? What the fuck am I listening to? 1%? Wow. I'm not leaving. Fucking kill me then, bitch. I'm not fucking leaving! You fucking stupid bitch! Yeah, keep spamming me, bitch. I'm gonna fuck you up, bitch. Keep spamming me. No, keep spamming me. I'm gonna fuck your mother up. That's so fucking funny. You keep spamming me, and you acting like you have no consequences for that. Oh, I'm at the wrong fucking floor. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm on the wrong floor.
Okay. It's okay.
Okay.
You dropped some paper here.
Sorry.
It's okay. Take your time.
Okay. Fuck. No. I dropped everything. No, I'm drinking all my alcohol. Fuck. Trying to push 11. Fucking 11.